Hello all. So today I'll be discussing about main differences in investment in a particular mutual fund or an ETF, that is the exchange traded fund. Now an ETF replicate a particular underlying index, for example Nifty, Nifty Next 50, or an underlying asset, for example a gold ETF, whereas in case of a mutual fund you can invest your money at a particular time in combination of assets like the debt, bonds, stocks, etc. Now another important point is that the prices of an ETF fluctuates throughout the day just like the prices of any stock. So you can buy and sell your ETF on the real time basis just like stocks, whereas the buying and selling of a mutual fund is done on the basis of day end NAV of the that particular mutual fund. Next important point, the expense ratio in case of a ETF is low as compared to a mutual fund, since they are passively managed funds, as they are only replicating a particular index or an asset, whereas in case of mutual fund the expense ratio can be high. Now next point, the SIP mode is available in mutual fund but it is not available in ETF, due to which I would say the mutual fund is more popular in India, since it gives SIP gives an automated mode of investment to investors, whereas in case of ETF you have to go and manually invest your money every time. Last point, the liquidity is can be at times lower in case of ETF, since at times there can be situations when you're trying to sell off your ETF at a particular price but there's no buyer at the other end. Last very important point, a demat account is required for ETF buying and selling, which is not required for a mutual fund. So bye for now.